Let's get real. You're not lazy. You're overthinking. Your brain is replaying, resimulating, and reliving scenarios that never even happened. According to Stanford University neuroscientists, the human brain processes nearly 6,200 thoughts per day, but your mind doesn't know how to filter which ones matter. That's why it feels like mental noise. In this video, I'll show you how to break the loop, using real neuroscience from Harvard, Yale, and Stanford, so you can stop thinking about life and actually live it. So what's really happening inside your head? The prefrontal cortex, your brain's control center, is designed to predict the future and prevent danger. It's your survival engine. But here's the glitch. In modern life, there's no tiger chasing you, only emails, texts, deadlines. So your brain starts treating thoughts as threats. A Harvard Medical School study found that people who ruminate excessively show increased activity in the default mode network, the same region that lights up when you daydream or worry. It's literally your brain being too active when nothing's happening. Yale University researchers even showed that mindfulness meditation reduces this brain noise. It shrinks the DMN's overactivity. That's physical proof that calming your mind changes your brain structure. Let's fix it. Step 1. Schedule your overthinking. Psychologists at Penn State University tested something called a worry window. A 10-minute period each day where you're allowed to think about your fears. And guess what? People who used this technique saw a 35% drop in anxiety symptoms within weeks. So when thoughts hit at random times, tell your brain, "Not now. I'll worry at 6:30 p.m. That's how you train your brain that you control the loop, not the other way around. Step 2. Ground your body, reset your mind. Overthinking isn't just mental, it's physical tension. When your shoulders tighten and your jaw clenches, your body tells your brain something's wrong, and the brain starts hunting for reasons. A Stanford mind-body lab experiment showed that slowing your breathing to 6 breaths per minute activates your parasympathetic system, your body's calm switch. So when your mind races, don't think harder. Breathe slower. You're literally rewiring your nervous system. Step 3. From thinking to doing. Overthinking paralyzes because you never reach decision mode. The University of Chicago's Booth School of Business found that people who take immediate action, even small, report 40% less stress than those who wait until it feels right. So the antidote to overthinking is movement. If you can't solve the whole thing, solve 5%. Send that email. Take that walk. Write that plan. Action kills anxiety. Step 4. Become the observer, not the actor. Imagine your thoughts like clouds. When you're in them, everything's gray. But when you observe them, you realize, you're the sky. That's not poetry, it's neuroscience. Yale researchers found that mindfulness meditation reduces activity in the brain's posterior cingulate cortex, the part responsible for self-referential chatter. Translation? When you watch your thoughts instead of fighting them, the brain literally quiets down. So next time your mind spirals, just say, "Oh, that's my overthinking brain again." Awareness breaks the trance. Step 5. Flip the what-if script. When you're overthinking, your brain always defaults to disaster mode. But Harvard psychologist Dr. Daniel Gilbert, author of Stumbling on Happiness, proved we're terrible at predicting how bad things will feel in the future. We overestimate pain and underestimate resilience. So here's your reframe. Every time you say, "What if I fail?" immediately ask, "What if I don't?" Train your mind to visualize success as vividly as it imagines failure. Step 6. Replace thought with data. The next time your brain says, "You always mess things up," Reply with evidence. Really? I've succeeded before. Here, here, and here. According to a University of Cambridge behavioral study, self-talk that uses factual language instead of emotional labels reduces emotional reactivity by up to 60%. That's how scientists say to argue back with your thoughts, not emotionally, but logically. Step 7. Reward calm. You reward overthinking every time you engage it. You give it energy, time, attention. It grows. But if you celebrate calm, even for 1 minute, your brain learns that peace feels safe. Over time, peace becomes your default. That's neuroplasticity in action, your brain reshaping its pathways through repetition. So here's the truth. The same brain that overthinks can overcreate, overdream, overlove. You just have to guide it. Harvard scientists say neuroplastic change takes about 21 days of consistent practice. That's all it takes to train your brain for calm instead of chaos. So for the next 21 days, schedule your thoughts. Breathe slower. Take action. Observe. Flip the script. Collect data. And reward calm. You're not broken. Your brain just needs new instructions. If this hit you, drop a thought balloon emoji in the comments and tell me, which step are you starting with today?